Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend. I myself am doing a bit better. Was a bit sick the last couple of days, but I'm okay. I can still make videos, quality videos. So in this video, I wanted to do that, mainly focusing on Bitcoin. There are a lot of fundamentals we need to talk about. Next week is a pretty big week again, with the inflation rate numbers coming in 2 days on Tuesday. So I wanted to talk about that, what I expect from that, what you can expect from that. Briefly, I'm not going to go into depth about that. I'll do that on Tuesday. And also, I mean, the big thing yesterday, obviously, and still today a little bit, is USDC. Is it going to be able to repeg? And what's its and what is the effect on the market and on Bitcoin off of that? So that's what I wanted to talk about. Before we get into that, we'll also focus on the technicals. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links in either the pinned comment or the description. There you'll find instructions on how to join. But now let's get right into it. So we've seen a little bit of bullish momentum during the day yesterday, while USDC was repegging more and more. We kind of moved with that. You can see that the real bullish momentum kind of started in the morning, but it picked up around 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's also when USDC came very close to its peg again. Was at 98 cents. It's not there right now. It has dropped down a little bit more, but the expectation is that tomorrow, when all of the banks are open again, and that Circle, which is the issuer behind USDC, is able to retrieve some money and get some liquid cash again, the expectation is that the repeg then will continue, and I join that expectation. But I also think that that's already calculated into the market. So we just had a bullish breakout, for example, above this minor level around 20,500. And that's why I also expect Bitcoin to be a little bit bullish. It's still weekend, so volume is still relatively low, and volatility also is. But in general, I do expect that we'll move up to this level right here between around 21,000. There's just major resistance between ultimately 20,800 and 21,100. I don't think we can break through that. The only way we could break through that is if the inflation rate is actually lower than expected. That would be amazing. Is that something I expect? I'm not sure. We've had a lot of mixed results in the last couple of weeks. Some economic results pointed towards more inflation. Some, especially last week, pointed towards perhaps just an inflation decrease, as we were doing. So we'll just have to wait for that. I'll do a full video on that, showing you what it means and what to look out for and what certain outcomes would mean for the price of Bitcoin in the future. But for now, no. In general, usually on Monday, where the thing is that usually on Sunday evening or Monday morning, we have some market movements. So that's also what I expect. I think they'll be a little bit bullish, but overall I'm still bearish on Bitcoin. All right, so even because the reason I'm bullish is mostly because of USDC repegging, and perhaps some expectations about the inflation rates because of some positive economic numbers last week. But overall, it's the direction is still down, I think, and I doubt that will move a lot. I think overall we'll kind of stay in this area which we're in right now. But I'll cover it again when it starts moving. I'll cover it again when it's tomorrow. So until then, I'll keep monitoring it. I'll update you tomorrow. But for now, take care. Thank you for watching, and bye.